There's no turning back now. Alright, I guess we're going to get started on the frame here. Alright, and if you notice right here, 110 volt welder. No! 220 volt. Okay. So I went ahead and I needed to bite the bullet and go ahead and buy me a better welder. So I think I got that taken care of. Okay. This is what we're going to do today. We're going to cut this baby down. Look there, got instructions. Let's do this first test fit. See if we're close. Back out, trim this one back a little bit, so I got a little room. I need to have about an eighth, less than a quarter, but about an eighth of an inch right there. So yeah, I gotta pull the motor back out. That's how it goes, over and over. Together till I get the motor out. Make sure that you subscribe and you like and you leave a comment. And here's a pro tip for you. Hang on to those grinders pretty tight.